Welcome to our channel. If you received your KeyBank rewards card and want to activate it and start claiming your points, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Locate the activation sticker on your new KeyBank rewards card, which includes activation instructions and a phone number or website. Step 2. To activate by phone, call the activation phone number provided on the sticker. Step 3. Follow the automated voice prompts and enter your card number when requested. Step 4. Provide any additional verification information as prompted, such as your social security number, date of birth, or zip code. Step 5. To activate online, visit the KeyBank website at key.com and navigate to the card activation section. Step 6. Enter your card number and required personal information to complete the activation process online. Step 7. Once your card is activated, sign the back of your card immediately for security purposes. Step 8. Download the KeyBank mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Step 9. Log in to your KeyBank account using your username and password, or create an online account if you're a new customer. Step 10. Navigate to the rewards section from the main menu or dashboard. Step 11. Review your current rewards, points balance, and explore available redemption options, such as cashback, travel, gift cards, or merchandise. Step 12. Select your desired rewards and follow the prompts to claim your points. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.